Hey YouTube, Roy Marco with Roy Marco's Garage, coming to you today with mail call. I've accumulated a pile of letters here, and I've been really anxious to open them. I've been so busy. Okay, so my first letter is from Grant at Straight Six Fan. Let's open that one up and see what I got here. Okay, I got a letter. Oh, that's cool. I'll read that off here, and Straight Six Fan sticker. That's gonna have to go on this car for sure. Roy, sorry it has taken like forever to get this over to you. Trying to get better at watching my money in, money out situations for the YouTube account. So the 21st is payday for me. Thanks so much for all your support. So anyway, Straight Six Fan, thank you. Thank you, Grant. That's awesome. This sticker will probably make it on my Hudson for the trip. So Iron Horse Garage. So again, thank you, Grant, for that. So let's get into Iron Horse Garage here. Let's see what it's got. Perfect. Okay, Iron Horse Garage, got a couple stickers. Envelope. Thank you very much. Sorry, thank you to Big Belly Rebuilds. So I think that's Steven, Ruthie, and AJ here. So got some cards here from Big Belly Rebuilds. Cards, awesome. And then some stickers from Big Belly Rebuilds YouTube. Different colors. So awesome, thank you very much. Big shout out to them. Check them out. Check out all these guys, actually. Got a letter too. Dear Roy Marco, thank you so much for your interest and support in our channel. So we are so close to getting 200 subscribers. So they're probably getting up there now, if not past that. But that is a long way before approaching 1,000, right? So thank you so much. And I hope you get there. I hope you get to 1,000 subscribers. So that's great. Okay, so what do we got here? Sobering restorations. Sobering restorations. And some of these letters have been sitting for like 2 months now, and so I apologize. I've been wanting to get them open and see them. I've just been so busy. And here we go. Awesome. Some stickers. Look at that.
Sweet.
Horsepower Division, 1967. Restoration Services, awesome. And then, of course, some koozies. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's awesome. Next on the list is Real Wheel Deal. And this is a student I used to teach at McNally, Peter Liu, if I remember correctly. And he's got a shop here and everything. I got to check him out. If you're into wheels and stuff, he does like the whole history on Volk racing wheels, all kinds of things, right? So it's really cool. Check him out. Mostly tuner stuff, but one day I'll have to maybe get some wheels from him here. A couple of stickers. That's awesome. Thank you so much. This is Raise Wheels box. And to our thank you for your friendship, Peter. So thank you, Peter. And we go back to his high school days, and we had some fun back then too. So that's good. Mortsky Repair. Thank you, Mortsky. Let's get into this here. Mortsky, last I remember, he hit 50,000 subscribers. Congratulations to Mortsky for that. That's fantastic. Okay, thank you, Mortsky, for some updated stickers. These are awesome. I love the way your stickers are. I love the artwork and the graphics on them. Thank you so much. That's great. And the biggest package, stuff with Cletus. So thank you so much. Let's see what's in here. This could be probably a shirt, I'm guessing, but this is pretty cool. Got like a hockey slip and just ripping into it.
Very satisfying that way.
Should have brought like something sharp. Got my keys.
Got your keys.
Got my keys. Oh, look at this. Awesome. Oh, and there's more in here too. There's a stuff with Cletus. Little tag there. It's cool. Little card. Awesome. Alright. What do we got here? Artwork. Oh, I like that. Sweet. There we go. Stuff with Cletus. The Nova on there. And I love that. that stuff with Cletus. Nice. I like that logo. That's pretty cool. I gotta come up with something neat like that. Very awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is great. I'm gonna be wearing this for sure. Probably sometime we'll be on my trip this weekend. I'm going with the Hudson, so that's everything. Thank you so much, and I always enjoy getting mail and sending out stuff too as well. So if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit that like button, ring that bell for notifications. Have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching.